Today, I'll show you how to share Google Slides in Google Meet so your audience sees exactly what you want them to see clearly and without distractions. We'll walk through the process from the moment you're in a meeting to the moment your slides are on screen, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way to keep everything running smoothly. First, make sure you're already in a Google Meet session and that your Google Slides presentation is open in a separate browser tab. It's best to have your slides ready before you start sharing so you're not scrambling to find the right file while everyone is waiting. You can open your slides from Google Drive or directly from the Google Slides homepage, whichever you prefer. Once your slides are open, look toward the top right corner of the Google Slides window. You'll see a button labeled Present. This is what starts presentation mode and formats your slides for full screen viewing. Go ahead and click that Present button. If you're in edit mode, this will shift you into a clean, presentation-friendly view where your audience will only see the slides themselves and not the editing tools. When you click Present, you'll see some options related to how you want to present. Because you're already in a Google Meet, you'll want the option that connects your slides directly to that meeting. Depending on your version, you might see Present to a meeting or Present this tab. Both lead to the same idea. You're choosing to share exactly this tab into your active Google Meet. If you see Present to a meeting, click that. A small panel will appear showing meetings associated with your account, usually including the one you're currently in. Select your active meeting from the list. This tells Google Slides which Meet session should receive your presentation. If you see Present this tab instead, click that option. It focuses on sharing just the Slides browser tab you're currently viewing, which is perfect for keeping the attention on your presentation and not on other windows. After you choose the meeting or the Present this tab option, you'll see a final confirmation button, usually labeled Present again. Click this Present button to start sharing your slides directly into the Google Meet. At this point, participants in the meeting will see your slides as the main content. You'll still see your own screen and any presenter tools available, but everyone else will just see the clean slide view. While you're presenting, use your arrow keys or the on-screen controls to move forward or backward through the deck. It's a good idea to speak a second or two after changing slides to give the meeting a moment to update for everyone, especially if some participants have slower connections. When you're finished presenting, look for the Stop Presenting option in Google Meet or simply exit the presentation mode in Google Slides. That will return the meeting to its normal view where participants can see each other's video tiles again, and that's it. You've successfully shared your Google Slides in a Google Meet using the built-in present options for a clean and focused presentation.